Special Sound Effects by Digifx Series J is an imaginative and over-the-top collection of specially designed and processed sounds. It includes warfare and weapons such as bombers, fencing, cannons, and explosions, comedy and cartoon effects such as squeaks, whistles, toys, and accents, and science fiction sounds such as sweeps, beeps, ships, and ambiances. These 4,039 stereo effects are available on 11 CDs, which can be purchased as a complete collection or as individual CDs. The complete collection can also be downloaded as 1644, 1648, or 2448 broadcast wave files. Special Sound Effects by Digifx Series J, only from Sound Ideas.